Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. This mounted makeup mirror by Rocollos is a must have in your bathroom. It makes getting ready for the day so much easier and more fun. Doing my makeup here has been a game changer. I love that it has a magnifying side that helps me plug my eyebrows perfectly. I also love the three-color lighting. This is also rechargeable and it comes with a charging cord. Just charge it until the light turns green and it's ready to go without having to connect it to the wall or replace any batteries. The cord is long enough to reach any outlet. The installation was also a breeze. Ricolo's packaging is top notch as well, so you'll get your item in perfect condition. This mirror is great quality and it's a must have. This is ideal for performing your makeup or shaving. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.